underneath it, lift it straight up. To install, push it against the back, find the latches and just clip it into space. So now we have the back of the screen. Mount our first part of our screen mount, like 4. Using the existing 4 screws that we've taken out of the back of the screen and 4 spring washers that are included in the bag, put the spring washers on the screws to start off with. Put that on there, put him in. If the cable's not long enough, you can pull a bit off the bottom, cut a cable tie and just sneak a little bit of cable out from it. In the bag, there's an over clip. Away you go. To install, push it against the back, find the latches and just clip it into space.